It is a beautiful Colorado morning, up nice and early, taking the dogs for a quick little walk out here, and y'all, there is snow in the forecast. It is supposed to be 40s and snowy this weekend. We are well into May. Usually by this point, we might get a cold rain, you know, like 50s. No, this is supposed to actually be drop down in the 40s, almost 30s, and snow. It's supposed to snow. I just put those seeds in the ground. My plants, my squashes and my cucumbers, they're so big. Those are ready to go in the ground. Just finally got those tomatoes to sprout. Now I'm gonna have to put that box, I'm gonna have to put my little box inside of the garage or something, just to kind of keep it warmer and drier longer. I don't know. Man. It's like, yeah, it's past Mother's Day, it's okay. No, it's still Colorado. Still, you know, snow's late in the season. We do have mountains. We are a high tundra. We are up in elevation. No. I lived in Wyoming for a year of my life. It snows in June and July there. Up high enough. Well, I also did live on the foothills in the mountains, but snow can come at any time it wants to. Just needs a cold front to ride, that's all. But man, oh. And then for the past couple of days, it has looked like it's going to rain. Even right now this morning, there's these beautiful clouds that it means that there's enough moisture for those to at least be there, but they could be storm clouds if they wanted to be. They really could be. I love the morning sounds. Good morning, sun. Good morning, birds. I am glad we chose this house. I do love living along this green belt and having easy access to nature. It's not a forest. No. It's not the tropics. No. It is a high plains creek bed, but there's still enough diversity of life here. It's magnificent. Even despite flaws of living in the city, in the neighborhood, our neighborhood isn't that bad. Homes are older, so they're spaced out, good-sized backyards. Not the biggest plots, not the biggest home sizes, but that's okay. Still working on getting my storage properly amped. Oh, my dog's having legs problems. He's getting old. He went, woo. Okay. You know, still working on the storage and stuff. Need some better shelving. New cabinetry, flooring. But these are wants. I would say in a sense, some of it is needs. It'd be nice to be able to store things better. Be able to store more things better. But I'm working on it. I'm getting there. What is today going to entail? I don't know. What is today? Playing with kids. Maybe vacuum the house. I've been taking the squash and zucchini seedlings that are really big. I've been taking them out of the box during the daytime and then putting them back in at night. Because they're big enough, they're ready to go in the ground, but I can't put them in the ground yet. They're going to freeze this weekend. But I will next week for sure. They're going to be big enough for that. Keep working on trimming the lilac bushes. I don't know, you know, life is regular. We do the same thing every day. Thanks for going with us, though. We technically have snow in the forecast. It has rained so far, drizzling a little bit. Chicken girls! So I had to put, because of the snow forecast, I wanted to make sure that I put all the chicken girls together. Hi, everybody. Did you rip her apart? Taylor first and Dolly. There's Sophie. And you're not bloody. Wonderful. So happy to see that you're not bloody. Good morning, everybody. So yesterday was beautiful. Mid-80s. Today is cool and rainy, but love the moisture. I grabbed some seed. I threw it down on the yard. Don't eat the seed that I threw down, chickens. It's raining. It's drizzling. They say we're supposed to get snow. I wonder if it's going to get cold enough for it. This is like the perfect, nice and cool raining temperature. Let's get you guys a little bit of breakfast. Oh, they're following me. Do you know what's over here? This is the food location. Are you ladies ready? Let's close this up so they don't get in there. Are you coming? Come on, Taylor. Everybody is. Ladies. Which one are you going to eat? She needs to be allowed to eat too. You can't chase back and forth, ladies. There's two piles. Everything grow beautifully. Chickens, I just gave you food. I just gave you food, chickens. Let's come back to the food location. Come on, everybody. Back to the food location. Thanks, sweetheart. So I spent the day yesterday cleaning out the garage. It was fairly filthy and disorganized inside of there because based off of the reports, it was supposed to be cold and snowy. And so I took the vegetable box, the growing box, and put it in the garage so it would stay warm and dry. I didn't want 10 inches of snow falling on it, but so far it's just in light mist, and it's still nice to have it in here to keep it warm. Okay, now time to start to go get kids ready. Let's go. Returned for a quick day. Lilac bushes are down. No large limbs down, which is important. Oh, yeah, we'll go this way. Oh, there's a broken branch. It's cold and snowy. You're not bloody, that's good. Oh my. Alrighty, well the great melt is occurring. Had all the snow. And then it all melts by the end of the day. Hopefully. What? Watch out. Snow will fall on your head if you're not in the right place.
got kind of a busy weekend ahead of us now. My son is at the graduation for the school for the seniors. He's a junior this year, so he wanted to go to the graduation. We have a friend that their son is graduating and getting his Eagle Scout, so we're going to go and see him. Excuse me, tree. I'm going to go ahead and get the house cleaned up. We're going to get the carpet shampooed, and next weekend we have some friends coming out to stay with us for a couple of days because they have family members who are graduating from here. They're originally from Colorado and they live in Kansas now. So they come back and stay with us for a couple of days. And then this is the last week of school for the kids and the summer starts, and plans got to be in place for not only us to try to have a good time despite everything being very expensive. But my daughter wants to go to school in Texas, so we got to get her set up. But right now we're just enjoying this snow melt. Watch out. It'll get ya. Let's check out the chickens. Oh, hey ladies, there you are. There's two. How are you guys doing in here?
EIEIO. EIEIO.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Oh, no chicken. This one right here. Where's... Oh my gosh.
EIEIO. EIEIO. Your picture. Your picture.